and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. Markets actually started out on quite a weak foot and opened sharply lower, but the low point of trade remained in the early hours as slowly the markets recovered and finally benchmark indices finished pretty much flat. The BSE Sensex finished at 19,895 and the Nifty closed at around 5906. No real news or events driving the markets. It's really in waiting of the earnings season to start. So there were very few stock-specific reactions and no broad move in today's trade. If you look at the broader market indices, there also it was quite mixed. IT stocks did rally a lot. The BSE IT index was the biggest gainer, up around 1.2%. Also, the metals index gained around 0.9%. Banking stocks, however, remained under fire. The BSE BankX was the biggest loser, down nearly around 1.2%. Coming to some individual stocks where there were some big moves, Coal India was in the news today as reports suggest that the divestment plan which the government has to offload at least 5% stake could be seen through in the next month or two. That stock declined around 3.2% today on that news. Also in news was Apollo Tyres, as it seems that there could be certain uncertainties around its deal which it announced recently with a US-based tire company. It was a $2.5 billion deal, but analysts were not very happy as it came along with a lot of debt and they didn't think it would be profit accretive. So thanks to these uncertainties, the stock actually rallied today around 5%. Also in news, Bombay Dyeing, where it seems that three private equity funds could be vying for at least a 24% stake, and that stock was up around 12.5%. Coming back to the Sensex names, it was metal stocks and IT stocks. So Tata Steel rallied around 4.2%. Also Hindalco was up around 3.2% and TCS gained around 2.5%. Other than Coal India, at the bottom it was Bharti Airtel down around 1.7% and ICICI Bank which fell around 1.5%. All eyes will now be on the earnings season to start later this week, and then we'll see more stock specific reactions. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.